Hello everyone. Today we are making tomato rice recipe, an instant version. This tomato rice is an ideal one pot meal or lunchbox recipe which can be served for breakfast and as a light dinner. It is served without any side dish but can be served with choice of sour raita. Firstly, into a hot skillet, we add 2 tablespoons of oil, then we put in 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 2 clove, 2 red chili, a tablespoon of shajira or cumin seed. Let them pop, then add a tablespoon each of mustard seeds, chana dal and urad dal. After sauteing for 20 seconds, we are going to add 2 split green chilies, a pinch of fenugreek seeds and 2 pinches of hinga rasafotida. We stir in for about 30 seconds before adding a sprig of curry leaves. Saute for 30 seconds, then goes 1 sliced onion. We stir in 1 minute and then add a tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste. We stir until the raw flavor of ginger garlic disappears. Next, we are going to add 3 steamed and pureed tomatoes, or you can use finely chopped tomatoes or store bought tomato puree. To hasten the cooking procedure, stir well and cook for about a minute. Then we are going to add half a tablespoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of salt or adjust as per your taste. This helps the tomato to cook fast. After stirring well, we cook for about 3 minutes until the oil floats on the surface. Now we are going to add half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon cumin powder, a quarter tablespoon garam masala which is optional, and half a tablespoon red chili powder. We cook until the oil floats on the surface. Please cook the gravy until you see oil on the surface. Finally add a cup of or around 160 grams of cooked rice and garnish with coriander leaves. Stir well and salt for about a minute with the lid closed. After stirring, garnish with coriander leaves and a few mint leaves. And switch off the cooktop, serve the tomato rice hot and enjoy it with sour raita. There is a tomato pulao recipe in the same channel where the rice is cooked along with the gravy in an instant pot or a pressure cooker. But this is different, which makes this instant recipe where we can prepare the gravy instantly and can use at any time. Please give a try to this recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Please do consider like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Happy cooking. Namaste.